Look at that for a view. With the pint. Boop, boop. Hello again. So I'm making my way up now. I'm gonna take me time going up there. So I'm heading up to Crimpiau. 400 odd metres. So it's not massively high, but it's going to have some cracking views. Literally down the Oggy, across the Snowdon, and up the Crimpiau as well. Snowdon. Molshabod just coming into view there. Right. I will bring you back in a bit. Barely a couple of minutes in and just look at the view already. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Little campsite down there. It's a hot one. Surely is. Anyway, so this path I'm on now is part of the Snowdonia Slate Trail. So we're just above, slightly above Cap Kirig. See, there's Molshabod. Glitters. What an evening. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. A springy back one. Oh, shut up. It's warm, I tell thee. Warm. Let's see if these lovely horsies will let me pass. Excuse me, horsey. I mean you no harm. I would just like to pass. How beautiful. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Horsey, horsey in a stable. Horsey, horsey out. Horsey, horsey did a fart and blew the candle out. Boop, boop. So there's Shabod still. Couple of mulwins in the background. And the Snowdonia Slate Trail takes you down that way towards Crimpiau. Beautiful by there. Me, I'm heading up here. Woo woo! Oh, it's bloody hot. Can't wait for that beer. So there's Crimpiau Glacier. Craigwen, Crimpiau. And you can't see it yet, but that's the valley down to Crimpiau. Yeah. Well, let's keep climbing. Only a little bit left now. Still bloody warm though. Hardly any breeze at the moment. Llyn Gerionnydd, just the other side of that hill. Whew. Look at that cracking view. Crimpiau, cracking hill. I'll tell you the exact height shortly. I think I'm going to pitch there actually. Look at this. Look at this. Stunning. Oh, stunning. Absolutely beautiful. I'll do a pitch there. Look at this. See down the Oggy Valley, Snowdon and Moel Shabod. Beautiful. And take the pack off. Right, okay, so after some faffing around, I've changed out the OEX poles. I've put my walking poles in. They're a lot sturdier. And there you go, airbed and everything. Underneath, hopefully, should be alright. We will see now, but I think I'm set up properly. Yeah, I think so. Oh. Bendigedig, breathtaking. Just can't beat these views. Be interesting to see how many tents are lit up around the ranges tonight. Can't beat this. Costs nothing as long as you respect the area. Leave no trace. Beautiful. Cymru Beath. Well, this is a little bit mental. Not used to this. The faffing around is unreal. Unreal. It's like 10:15 now, it's still very, very, very light. But it's an experience. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Right. I'm still not comfortable. First and last time doing it like this. I have bivvied once before. Many years ago when I was a kid. 2518 Flint Squadron of the Royal Air Cadets. Although my gear is a million times better than what it is, what it was. This is just so bloody uncomfortable. I don't know how people do it, to be honest. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I just can't get comfortable. Anyway, I'm going to try and get some sleep later. So, take 342. I think I found the problem. I was trying to stuff everything inside the bivvy bag to make it comfortable. I've left the mat and pillow outside the bivvy bag and just put my sleeping bag inside the bivvy. So sleeping bag in the bivvy, both of us on top of the mat. Yeah, let's give that a whirl. Does feel a lot more comfortable, don't feel as restricted. Quite a lot of lights. Oh. Well, it's morning. Didn't sleep too bad, to be honest. Better than expected. Cuckoos and shiz. Make a start on packing soon. Quite a bit of condensation on the tarp, but all in all, better than expected. And just like that, there it was, gone. Leave no trace is the ethos. Look at that. Stunning. Stunning. Morning has broken over my shoulder. Look at that. Look at them bad boys. What a beautiful, beautiful day it's gonna be. Look at that. Bendigadig. Right. 5 minutes and head down to the car. Yippee. Morning again. So I've had a change. I've still left the car where it was below overnight, and I'm now heading from Crimpiau up towards the Oggy. Still not fully decided what I'm going to do yet when I get there, although I quite fancy Tryfan again. We will see. We will see. So looking back to Crimpiau, Craig Wen, Craig Gleeson, Penrhegl D, Penllithic Iraq. Sorry, Penllithic Iraq. That one. The other one's Penrhegl D. Kenneth Llewellyn, Kenneth David, Penrhegl Wen, and Galter Ogov. Yay! The mighty Tryfan, Penrhegl Wen, Kenneth David, Kenneth Llewellyn's in the background somewhere over there. Penrhegl D. I'm still on the path, heading down towards Tryfan from the Snowdonia Slate Trail from Crimpiau. Warm already, it's not even 8 o'clock yet. Sweaty McSweatface. It's a beast, isn't it? A beast. Coming into view now is again and full guck. Yay. Warm. Very, very, very warm. So I'm almost at the start of the ascent for Tryfan. There's a few people heading up there already by the looks of it. Go up, north face. It's going to be fun. I've only done it via north face once before. I've done Tryfan about 5 times now. Hey ho. Whew, just having a breather. I climbed up there. I'm going up this way. But I'm going to have a breather first, I think.
Weird. It's very different from the others. It was cementy. Yeah.
Last little bit now. Yippee! What a view. Beautiful day. I'm sweating my bollocks off like. What a day. Well, I'm almost back at the visitor centre of the Oggy Valley. I've had a cracking bivvy. Bit frustrating at first, but slept better than I thought I would. And a cracking ascent of Tryfan via north face. I didn't do a massive amount of recording on there because you gotta be switched on. One wrong foot or hold, you're a goner. Not worth the risk. So I recorded little bits for you, which I hope you've enjoyed. I'm now going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. To the next one. See you later, guys.